Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE 100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,600.27. Across Europe, the Euronext 100 edged lower 0.02%, while Germany's DAX also slipped 0.16% as investors reacted to renewed geopolitical tensions. In the US, the Nasdaq closed lower on Friday at 25,520.24, and the S&P 500 also fell to 7,457.69 as risk appetite weakened. In company news, healthcare software provider Craneware said it has contained a cybersecurity incident, with customer services continuing uninterrupted while investigations continue. Oil producer Gulf Keystone has suspended production at its Shaikan field in Iraq's Kurdistan region as security concerns in the region intensify. Against sterling, the US dollar and euro were broadly steady. The Swiss franc and Japanese yen strengthened slightly, the Australian dollar was little changed, and Bitcoin edged lower. In commodities, copper was firmer, gold eased slightly, Brent crude moved higher as Middle East tensions pushed oil above $90 a barrel, and natural gas also advanced. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.